Hello, once again, I'm Sam Reichert. You're watching OBTVLive.com, your day planner forecast brought to you by Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven. They're located at 5847 Getwell Road, Suite A8, across from that water tower in the Snowden Grove area. Relax and enjoy the birds. Let's talk about today's day planner forecast. High today, well, cloudy at 8 a.m., 73 degrees, or let's say partly cloudy at 8 a.m., 73 degrees, partly cloudy at noon, temperature around 82 degrees, probably cloudy at 5 p.m. with a slight chance for a thunderstorm, temperature around 85, winds today from the southwest, 10 to 15 miles an hour, gusting to 30 miles per hour at times. I'm meteorologist Sam Reichert. Relax and enjoy the birds at Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven.